Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have a rear mud flap extension for the Canon Spyder RT. We're happy to introduce this 5-inch rear mud flap extension for the Canon Spyder RT lineup. This mod is essential if you plan on pulling a trailer or riding in groups, as it drastically reduces road debris from kicking up behind your rear tire and can save your trailer from some pretty nasty paint chips. Installation is a breeze and consists of 2 screws along with some 3M backing tape. Now let me walk you through the installation process on our shop, Spyder RT.
Start by setting the parking brake and removing the key from the ignition. Then, using a lint-free towel and rubbing alcohol, clean the top of the lower tab on the front side of the rear fender and on the back side. Now test fit the chrome accent piece. Remove the matching from the double-sided tape, line it up so that it's centered, and then press firmly into place. Next, you can take the mud guard and test fit it to the back side of the fender. Remove the masking from the double-sided tape, and then using the 2 pins on the chrome accent, align it so that it's centered, and then press firmly into place. Now take the 3 M4 by 10mm screws and tighten them into the chrome accent piece from the back side of the mud flap. Next, take a piece of masking tape and place it across the fender right above the chrome accent piece. Next, mark the center and measure out 3 inches on both sides. And then up 1.25 inches from the chrome piece for both of those sides. Then again, double check the 3 inches at that mark. Now take a 7/32 drill bit and drill a hole through the fender and mud guard at those marks. Next, we can take the M5 by 16mm screws, thread them through the show cap bases, insert them into the holes you just drilled, and top them off with the washer and nut on the backside. And then tighten them down, making sure not to over tighten. And finally, you can install the show caps on both screws.
As you can see, installation is an absolute breeze, and once installed, it looks like an OE piece. Now, if you want to protect your fellow Spyder riders from literally eating your dust, then head on over to Slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe below to stay up to date with all the latest, greatest mods for the Canon Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.